I apologize about the sound of my AC in the background. Hopefully that's not too bad. But here's my hash map project. Let me delete that, I don't use it. Okay, so here's my hash map. So we've got our bucket array, which is an array of linked lists. And we've got our hash table constructor, which simply sets the bucket array to an array of linked lists of the size that you pass it. So we instantiate that in the driver. This is, for some reason, when you try to make an array of linked lists, it throws a fit about it. So I found this on Stack Overflow. Apparently this works, which it seems to. So you can see the comment there, weird fix, but it seems to work. We've got our hash function here, which it just adds up the ASCII values of all of the letters in the word and then mods it by the length. So that's what our hash function is. We've got our insert, which just gets the hash function and then it inserts the word at that index. We've got a search, which takes the hash function of what you're looking for, so it finds the index, and then and then it'll just traverse the list, and this J is where we're counting how many elements we had to search through. So that this is O of n, O of n, but O of n here is a lot faster than O of n searching all of this, because getting to whatever index you're going to, that's O of 1, and then it's only O of n for whatever is in that index, which is great. And then we have a little toString here, which is basically, that just prints out, you see that right here, the whole hash map, so that's nice to be able to see it. So that's a visualization of our hash map, and that was mostly for testing, to make sure it was working properly. Then we've got our driver, so all of this is just reading in the file. We print out the hash map, and then this is where we just get our search term, and we search for it, and we print out what that returns, which the search method returns the word you found, and then how many elements you had to search to find it, or it returns no result. So we'll go ahead and run that. So you can see that. Let's look for laws. So laws should be at index 9, and it should be the first thing we find. Found laws, only had to search 0, so finding laws actually was O of 1. But if we want to look for hello, it searched 4, and you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there it was. So yeah, that's how that works. We can just search this as long as we want, and we'll keep finding things. So yeah, nice little algorithm. Thank you for watching.